Hello, this is the first episode of The Life of Pi-Napple. I'm here at Poolside in Ormond, Florida, and I'm here to talk to you about self-esteem. That's right. I may be rough on the outside, but I am sweet inside. So, what I want you to do is this exercise. Write down all the attributes and things that you love and care about in your best friend, your favorite person, whoever you admire. Write a list for me, okay? Would you do that? Okay. Once you've written that list, I want you to look it over. Think about it. You love those things about that person, right? Right? Okay. Well, did you know that things that we like and dislike about other people are usually things we see in ourselves? I know, crazy, right? Well, so you've just written down all things you really love about yourself that you forgot that you love about yourself, but you see it in somebody else. I know, crazy, right? Crazy! After all, I am a piece of fruit. But here's the thing. Look at that list. That's you. That's your authentic self. Say those things to yourself. If you think your best friend is silly and funny and loyal and wonderful and smart and creative, that's you. It's true. So, think about it. Be sweet inside and wear a crown like me. And you have a wonderful day. And I love you. Signing off, The Life of Pi-Napple. Bye. I said bye. Why are you still here? Shish, go away.